Every video you record, the broadcasting on this idea earn you more than $2,000. A super easy and popular idea that you can make a video every half an hour. But this is just how I say you need to implement it to get a lot of video views. Let's get started. This is the idea of segment improvement game. If you search for this word, you will find videos that have an incredible amount of views. So, how to make a video? First, you go to the App Store or Google Play and search the word segment dismounting and download some of these games. Then you go and run this game and take a video of the game, and then it like you edit the videos of these other games. That is, after every few seconds you make a meme of this game. First, go to YouTube and watch a few videos about this idea, then get started. If you don't know where to download memes, go to YouTube and download these memes, cut them and use them. Just make 2 videos a day with 1 hour of work. After 1 month your channel will have 60 videos, and if you work regularly your channel will generate income. So go ahead and start it without wasting time. If you have any question, ask it in the comments and I will answer.